You know, you've reached an interesting point in your life where you point a camera at your face in public and start talking to it. But it's the 1st of October, and first days always get you inspired, and I've been inspired by, other people online to, share yourself and share your story, because, I'm really attracted to essentially entrepreneurs and people that make a living for themselves and choose a passion or an interest, and try to monetize it in any way. And my point is, you can't just make things or offer a service in this day and age. You also need to market yourself. Marketing's everything, and this is essentially a step in that direction, in putting myself out there and hopefully letting people know my story and who I am and what my personality is about and what I'm about. So the question is, what am I about? And I studied computer science for 4 years and had a corporate job for 3 years, which I recently resigned from just to take a break. I felt stagnant and I was just keen on an extended break. And I've saved up money each month so I can, live comfortably for maybe a year or so, maybe 2. And just enjoying living close to the ocean and music. And I guess what this video is about, and the series that I'm posting about, is to talk about software products and software services that I would obviously like to create and promote. I had this idea to create an app every month for 12 months, and I had that idea 3 months ago, and essentially I've created one app, which is not a good start to the idea, and I've gone back and forth on if that idea is too ambitious, but I still stand by the idea of creating an MVP, a minimal viable product, as soon as possible, in hopefully maximum 2 weeks, after you've validated that the idea is feasible to create and it's a wanted product. So that could also take a week. So that's 3 weeks, and then the last week would be to let users test it and iterate. So that fits nicely into a month. It is short. So it's the 1st of October, and I want to keep myself accountable every day for this month. So for today, what I'm going to do now, I just had some lunch, and I'm going to sit in a coffee shop and try finish the first app that I made, and try record a video, make a blog post about it, and I'll get back to you once that's done. So I finished my first app, and I wrote a blog post about it, and you can view it here. And making this video has really motivated me to finish it off and finish the last pieces. And the last piece where I did a time lapse of me coding was to make the API endpoint secure, meaning only authenticated users can use it. And I think that was the first time me trying to do that, and I learned a little bit there. But overall, this project has made me learn a lot about serverless serverless programming, and yeah, I'm just happy to finish it, and yeah, on to the next one.